How to download Chase application on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download Chase app on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch Play Store or App Store depending upon your device, as this process is applicable for both of your devices. Once you launch the application, simply make sure to sign into your particular account. Now tap on the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select the search bar at top of the screen and type in Chase. Once you search for the Chase game, you have to simply open the particular and the official Chase application that you would like to play on your device. After that, you will see the install button. Tap install button and wait until the download process completes. Once it gets downloaded, you can easily launch the application and play Chase game on your device. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.